The first recreational activity for this day is walking. I always walk whenever I go and leave the school because I like to see my surroundings. I like to see other people. I like to see animals. I like to see trees. I like to see the nature. And I like to see the sky. The second recreational activity for this day is riding a bike. After I got home from school, I ride my bike to go around here in City Homes. Sometimes I am with my sister who rides a smaller bike. I used to ride my bike with my friends at Jera, but now he pursued something different in life. I play chess with my family. Chess is fun. I like the concept of chess. You need to analyze every move you can make, filter out those who leads to bad endings, and find the best move that will benefit you. Kind of like real life, where you need to make decisions on choosing what to do and what not to do. Also, tricking your opponents is a part of the game. I also play chess with my friends. But most of the time, I play chess with myself. Paalis na ako, bye-bye!
Ay, sasabay ba ako sa lakad? Oo.
Ano ba? Ginawa naman.
Pala, sorry.
Sige, sige.
Okay na.